This is how mutual funds earn money for you guys, no? So again, marami nang tatanong sa atin, what's the difference between mutual funds, stock market, iba ba siya, no? So guys, ang mutual funds kasi, it's a pool of funds, no? And this is an example, ito, investors tayo guys, no? And i-invest natin yan sa mga mutual funds. Again, our partner broker is Ramver Online. So again, you can message me if you want a guidance how to open an account. And then from there, no, may mga mutual fund brokers and yan, may fund managers, no. So pipili ka na kung anong funds yung investan mo. So they are professionally managed, no, and under, kumbaga, regulated yan, highly regulated by the government, SEC. So mostly naman ang mga ino-offer, especially if you will gonna invest to Ramver Online and other legit mutual fund brokers, usually legit naman and maganda naman yung mga okay naman yung mga fund managers nila. And of course, once na invest na tayo, no, so pipili na tayo ng mga funds, and then may mga fund managers yon, nakadepende, no, kung ano yung fund na invest natin. So some are bond type of mutual funds, some are stock or equity mutual funds, no, some are balance or hati, no. And then from there, kung anong types of stocks, kung anong stocks bibili nila, kung anong bonds bibili nila, depende na yan sa mga fund managers. So usually ang fund managers kasi meron ng may fees yan, no. And for me, personal opinion ko, yung una, syempre, gusto natin walang fees, no? Pero of course, if you're gonna hire, if you want professionally managed mutual funds, no, to do the investing for you, kailangan mo talaga magbayad din talaga. Diba? So, okay lang yan. Around 1 to 2% naman yan. And net of gains na yan. Okay? So, yan. Other asset classes. So, depende yan. And then from there, capital gains. So, once na nag-gain na yung funds na yon, may mga dividends na automatic, mare-reflect yan sa investments nyo. So, mag-i-increase na yung share price or yung value. And then from there, babalik na sa investors. So, if you want to redeem it anytime, that's one advantage of mutual funds, no? So, anytime, they are mandated by law to, if ever na you want to redeem or liquidate, no, or i-sell mo na yung shares mo sa mutual funds, they are mandated by law to buy it back, or kung kailangan bilhin talaga nila, or dapat ma-redeem mo yung fund mo. That's one good thing about mutual funds, no? Unlike sa stocks kasi, di ba, pag when you buy, dapat may seller, eh. So, hindi mo pipilit talaga na kailangan ibaba mo pa yung price, no, para mabenta mo lang yung mga stocks mo. So, mutual funds naman, kung ano yung market value niya, they are mandated by the law to buy it back sa inyo with the current market price. Okay? So, again, marami namang pros and cons, no? Pwede kang dumiretso sa stock market, pwedeng through mutual funds nga. But ako, personally, I have both, no? I have my own specific stocks na nag-i-invest, and meron ako mutual funds. Tapos at the end of the year, kino-compare ko pa nga yan, kung ano yung mas mataas na return, And kasi syempre maganda rin, no? Of course, may mga magandang picks naman tayo sa stocks din. Inaaral din natin yan yung mga individual companies. Pero ito kasi mga guys, mga fund managers, mga professionals yan, talagang they know what they're doing. It's their job, no? Every day, 24/7 to analyze companies, no? So maganda pa rin may taya or nag-i-invest tayo sa kanila through them, no? And ayun nga, maraming of course sa stocks naman wala ng mga fund managers fee, pero again, you need to weigh, no? Pero ako so far happy naman ako kahit may mga fees yung mga funds, no, like yung mga fund managers, yung mga management fee, ganyan. Kumbaga, kung mataas naman yung returns, why not, diba? If it's still, kumbaga, beating the market, kumbaga, it's still higher than other investment vehicles, diba? Okay lang din for me. Again, that's my opinion. Okay? So, that's how mutual fund works. So, kung magtatanong kung anong bang difference sa stocks. Stocks kasi, it's a type of mutual fund. Ito, nakita nyo dito. And may mga mutual fund din na bonds, na may mga fixed income din. So again, depending nga kung saan ka mag-invest. So thank you so much guys. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo sa ating video for today. If you have any questions, if you want to start, just message me para mas ma-clarify ko or para mas mag-guide ko kayo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please give me a heart and follow me for more investment, business, marketing tips. Bye-bye.